So I face the final curtain, my friend. I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, oh, it's uncertain. I'll live a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets I'll had a few, then again too few to mention. I did what I had to do. I saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along a byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spilled it out. I faced it all and I stood tall. I did it my way. I've laughed and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels. If not the words of one who kneels, the record's yours. I took the blows and did it my way. Yes, it was